Welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl, Chef Burrell. Have you been quarantine cooking or have you been eating out? Well, I have something amazingly special for you today. Join me in the kitchen.
Good morning, guys. So I saw this Callaloo situation. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna try it today. So I just seasoned up the Callaloo, and I have a festival mix here which I'm going to mix with flour to get the most out of it, and I'm going to just get this to cook a little bit, and then I'm going to put it inside of this, and I'm gonna try it with the ackee. I think they call that one the ackee quiche or something like that, but I'm gonna try that. So my frying pan is ready, and I won't be making a lot, so I'll be using this container. I got the pan flour. So this is about cooked to a certain level that I would want it, because I don't like when vegetables are cooked till they're too saggy. So I think this would be good. So just in case you're wondering, the seasonings in here, we have the chili pepper, we have onion, we have sweet pepper, bell pepper, thyme, and we have scallions in there, garlic. You know, I don't cook without that thing. So yeah, that's about it. I threw a little bit of water in here, and I'm gonna just get it all frittersy before adding the callaloo. So I just poured in the callaloo. I don't want a lot because I'm not going to be doing a lot of flour. Remember, I'm on a diet, so I'm just making it. I'm mixing it out. So right now it looks like one of those artichoke dips. And trust me, the callaloo is just heavy on here. As I said, I'm on a diet, so low on the flour. So I did intentionally pour a lot of callaloo. Can't wait to taste. I want to maintain a certain level. I'm going to use coconut oil to cook this baby. It's gonna taste delicious. I'm trying to maintain a certain level, so of course some cayenne was placed in there to get a little bit of heat. Well, extra heat, because I have the chili pepper and the bell pepper in there. So I'm cooking them on low flame. Well, medium if you want to put it that way. Medium flame. So yeah, they're going, looking lovely. So they apparently don't take long to cook. So I've already flipped them, give them a little bit of press, right, to give them that full fritters look. Press them out, and to get the flour fully cooked. Yeah, okay, you know, so sometimes outside starts burning and you think inside is cooked until you bite into it. See a little bit of flour showing its head there. So of course we're gonna have to flip this again. No raw thing around here, cooking the thing properly. So to add a little bit of flavour or color to the dish, I'm going to cook some ackee. These are in the freezer, so they might be soggy when they come out. I'm not sure. Quite icy. And I won't be using any meat in them, so those are just seasoned ackee. Crack at it again. So again with the chili pepper, because I've developed a serious liking for this. And I will be using the same seasoning as I did with the callaloo.
It's commercial break. Had to remind you of my cleaning company, very inexpensive and reliable work. Also my lighting company, well, rental company that offers fog machines and LED power lights for rental. Also just added a bubble machine, and all of them are at $2.5 and up. So you need to check me out. Also want to remind you of my She by Shanique lashes that you need to come in and buy, ladies. Gentlemen, you can also get them for your ladies. They add a little bit of flavor.
Is ready. Ready. Most of you may not have done this before, but if the ackee is frozen, I don't bother to put it back to the full process of boiling the water and with the ackee in there. So what I do is boil the kettle water and just pour it on it and leave it there for a while and it's cooked. Y'all learned something from me today if you never know before. Just cover it and give it about 5 minutes, if that much, and it's cooked. You just drop it in the frying. Remember, that's another set of cooking for it. You don't want to overcook the situation, right? Going, ready for that. And so now we're gonna test it. See? Not even 5 minutes good. That's what I'm talking about. That's what so I'm gonna strain it now. We're going to strain it and get it into the frying, which I've already started. So I'm adding the ackee now, and then I'm gonna drop on my black pepper, my cayenne.
Here is the finished product. I added the melon for color.